Hello viewers, welcome to this unboxing video review on the Re-ment My Sweet Closet blind box series. Alright, so let's take a look at this blind box from front to back, left to right, top to bottom. Alright, and I picked up these blind boxes from my local hobby store as it is a new release. And when I took a look at this series, hey, there's a bunch of things I wouldn't mind having to pose with my action figures. Alright, so let's take a look to see what types that are available. If you have already started collecting this series or have finished it, this is how it would look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and normally I would start off with the heavier boxes and go for the furniture, but in this case, for this series, I'm going to go with the lightest boxes and start with the accessories instead. Alright, so out of these, the picks here, I would definitely want to start off with the number 3, 4, 5 or 6, most definitely 3 and 6, because they look like some really high-end accessories for my figures, so I wouldn't mind starting off with those ones first, right? And these ones are very predictable as they are the heaviest boxes that are available, so if I decide to finish this series, I would know which one I'm going to get here, but I'm going to start off with the accessories first to see how it looks like with my figures. Alright, and my local hobby store was nice enough to give me the flaps for this series, so let me just show it to you. Alright, so first of all, the wall flap, this is how it would look like. Flaps, let's go up close. Okay, and the other flap, the flooring. So if you decide to purchase the box set, these are the flaps that it comes with. Alright, so let's get started with the unboxing to see what I'm going to get. Right, I did mention that I'm going for number 6 and number 3. Yes, so hopefully that is the case because I picked the lightest ones that are available. Okay, so according to this one, the paper, it is number 6. High heels. Let's take a look. So it comes with a paper bag, and a flyer, and the box set would look like this. Let's get that on there if you had completed it. So that's that one. Okay, I'm not sure if my figures can actually wear these. They don't look like they can be worn. Right, so very nice shoes go into the box. There you go. Nice shoe box and the bag. I don't know. Actually, yeah, I think it can close. That's pretty good. Good leather goods. Okay, I'll deal with that later. Alright, so let me see if I can bring that up close. Alligator leather. Okay, that's the perfume bottle and the sticker to go with it and the lipstick and all that jazz. Okay, so let's bring out an action figure here. And have her hold it. Alright, so moving on to the second box. Is it number, I'm going for number 3? Luxury bag. No, it's not. According to this one, it's number 5. Toy Poodle. Okay. Comes with another. I wonder if this makes a full magazine. Oh no, it is a magazine itself. Okay. Balloon Dog poster. Okay. So let's remove contents from this plastic wrap. Yeah, I wonder if the toy poodle can go in this bag. This is a pretty big bag. Basic green bag. Okay, maybe it is for the toy poodle. And it's a fuzzy material, somewhat. And a cap. Is it for the dog? Yeah, it is for the dog. Or it could be for my figure as well. Alright, so if you're looking for some accessories to pose with your figures, I definitely would go for this series if you see it. So don't hesitate to pick up a couple or finish the series here and build yourself a display for your action figures. Alright, let's see. Yep, looks pretty good. And once again, that is Re-ment My Sweet Closet Blind Box Series. Thanks for watching.